Okay guys, what is this? This is a spoon. Very good. Is spoon. Is spoon. In Tagalog, kutsara. Very good. Nice. Kutsara. Kutsara. In Chinese, pangwatsae. Very good. Pangwatsae. Ulit. This is a spoon. Nice. Very good. Spoon. Spoon. In Tagalog, kutsara. Very good. Kutsara. Kutsara. In Chinese, pangwatsae. Very good. Pangwatsae. Pangwatsae. No. It's wrong. This is not a weevil. This is a spoon. Yeah, ulit. This is a spoon. In Tagalog, kutsara. In Chinese, pangwatsae. Mga palibog mo ng mga estudantiyan mo. Spoon ako ha. What is this? This is a spoon. Spoon. In Tagalog, kutsara. Kutsara. In Chinese, pangwatsae. Pangwatsae. Inali ba o? Pangkawan sa tae. Hindi nga rin si isultas nyo. Wadya po na paniwa. Wadya po na gets nyo. Kamu na rin. Come on, makalibog mo. Okay guys, what is this? This is a cup. And together, sombrero. Alright, very good. This is a sombrero. In Chinese, taklad salau. Very good. Okay, ulit. What is this? This is a cup. Very good. And Tagalog, sombrero. Sombrero. Very good, very good. And Chinese, taklad salau. Taklad salau. Ulit. Ulit. What is this? This is a cup. Very good. And Tagalog, sombrero. Sombrero. Very good. And Chinese, this is a taklad salau. No. That's wrong. This is a taklad salau. In Chinese. Ulit me. Ito mga bugo ka rin nyo. Tapay na kung di mo na eh. Okay, one more. What is this? This is a cup. In Tagalog, sombrero. Sombrero. In Tagalog. In Chinese, taklad salau. No. Taklog sa ulo. Taklog sa ulo. Kapag kahit di masabto na kamu na hindi mo din eh. Oh! Gambos pa yung... Okay guys, what is this? That's right. This is a knife. Knife. In English, knife. Kung sa Tagalog, kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. Alright. In Chinese, panchiwa. Panchiwa. Okay, again. What is this? This is a knife. Knife. Kung sa Tagalog, kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. In Chinese, panchiwa. Panchiwa. Kuya po sige. Berbalik anit. Pertarong mo, bangsa mo. Paminaw tarong. Okay, what is this? This is a knife. Knife. Ha? In Tagalog, kutsilyo. In Chinese, panchiwa. This is not a bolo. This is a knife.
In Chinese, panchiwa. Panchiwa. Panchiwa sa tao ba kung bataan? Di ka mo sa ron, mamina ba? Machiwa ka karon.
Yo, what's up mga idol?
Kung nadahan mo sa mga video ay kalimot to
Follow, like, and share sa mga video.